Guys, wanted to share something. I got this camcorder at a garage sale for 15 bucks. This is older Panasonic Palmcorder. So it's pretty good. It got everything: manuals, charger, battery. So it was complete. That's why there's like a battery cover or tape cover, I'm not sure, but there's see, it has even the playback, this Panasonic playback adapter and cables and some other cables. There's a manual, there's I think the battery or something here, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, the battery. So complete unit, 15 bucks I guess.